All right, so 5th grade for social studies today. This is what we are going to be doing. So, you're going to read 3 sets of pages, page 6 and 7, page 8 and 9, page 10 and 11. You'll notice that for page 6 and 7, there are 2 questions you're answering, but for the other 2 sets of pages, there's only 1 question. So what you are going to do is with your partner, so the person you sit next to, so that would be so Zoe and Max, Philip and Grayson, Michael and Emmy, Frankie and Mackenzie, Drew and Senna, Jack and Jack, Senna and Elena, Will and Allison, Eosius and Richie, and then Layla and Addie. So with your partner, you are going, what? Oh, I'm sorry, Chanel and Elena, my bad. With your partner, you are going to, you'll start at number 1, read page 6 and 7. Once you're done reading page 6 and 7, in your notebooks, both of you, you'll work together on your answers, but you're each going to write them down. You're going to answer both of those questions. So the first one says, how did the Minutemen get their name? And the second one says, do you think there would have been a Revolutionary War if King George had decided to listen to the colonists and their complaints? Now, you guys, for that second question, do you think Miss E will accept a yes or no? No, you need to explain why you think that. Then, once you do that, then you and your partner will read page 8 and 9, and you'll answer that question, which is, what important part of Jefferson's first draft of the Declaration of Independence did other delegates take out, and why? Once you finish answering that, then you'll do the third step, which is read page 10, 11, and answer, why do you think it was important for delegates from all of the colonies to sign the Declaration of Independence? Once you have written these down, when you're done, I need to add this, you're going to go and show me your answers. Then you will be able to work on homework, read, write, or draw quietly at your desk before we start read aloud time. Are there any questions? Yeah. Okay. Should we be talking really loud and reading really loudly out loud? No, because we're going to have multiple people reading. So, talk in a normal voice and make sure you're focused on working with your partner. Capiche? Make sure your mask is covering your nose and your chin. Go ahead. Okay, so my virtual learners, again, it's up to you. If you both want to complete this on your own, that's fine. You could type your answers into a Google Doc. You could write them down on a piece of paper and upload the piece of paper to today's post. It is up to you. So I'd say a Google Doc or a piece of paper that you've taken a picture of and uploaded. If you want to work together, maybe schedule a Zoom call or something where you guys can read together and answer together. If you work on your own, then I should be seeing that you each submitted your own either Google Doc or picture of a piece of paper with your answers. If you work together, you only need to submit one Google Doc or picture with your answers, and I will know that you guys answered those together. So as always, if you have any questions, you let me know. We're on our Declaration of Independence magazine, and you're reading page 6 through 11. When you read the 2 pages, you stop and answer the questions.